Hi kids, okay, this is lesson number 4 and I promise you this is the last one. So in the booklet that I'm sending home with your family, there are some activities that go way beyond these coins that I'm talking about right now because we're really only talking about nickels, dimes, and quarters right now. So what you can decide to do with your family as you look through this, if these lessons are too simple for you because you already know this, you've already covered it, you're a genius with money, then challenge yourself to go further into that booklet because that booklet that I'm sending home is actually geared for starting with grade 2s, then it goes into grade 3s, then it goes into grade 4s, it goes up to money all the way up to $100. So if you like the idea of learning about $100 and you understand this whole process, then challenge yourself. Next week I'm going to give some other activities that are just specifically for grade 2 and grade 3, money to $1 for grade 2s and money that goes up to $10 for grade 3s. And grade 3s, I don't know if I have a whole lot of bills lying around, so we're going to see what I can do with the money that I have in the house, okay? All right, so we are skip counting by 5s, we were skip counting by 10s in the last lesson, so now we're going to do something else. We're going to start skip counting by this bad boy. Here he is. Whoops, he's upside down. The upside down caribou. See, look at that. He does tricks. All right, so 25 cents. So if I'm going to put this on the 25-cent marker, of course it's going to land on 25. Okay, so that means there are 25 pennies here. And we drew hair, remember on Queen Elizabeth? In one of the previous lessons, and we found out this 25 cents is the same thing as saying 5 cents, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Do you remember that? 5 cents is going to give you 25 cents. If we were to break this money down again, we can represent this in lots of different ways as well. We can say it's worth 10 cents. Oops, I don't know if you can see 10 cents. And there's another 10 cents. So I've got 2 10 cents there. 10 cents, 20 cents, and then we can give ourselves a nickel to give it 25 cents. Same thing. Okay, we can also do this one other way. 3 ways to make this coin. Okay, watch. I'm going to flip you down for a second. Here are my hands. Oh, so we're not playing with this one. We're going to just take a look right here. So this 25-cent coin that you see right here, you can make it into 10 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents. It's the same thing. 25 cents or 25 cents. Or we can do it this way. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents. There's another way that we can make this. Let me move this over. I can keep that 5 cents there. I can keep that 5 cents there. But this time here, I'm going to cut in half. And I'm going to turn it into another nickel. And oh no, I'm out of nickels. Let's imagine. Like that. So that's another way that I can do 25 cents. 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. So we have 25 cents here, 25 cents here, 10, 20, 25 cents here, and 25 cents there. 1, 2, 3, 4 ways to make 25 cents. Magic. I don't know what happened to my other nickel. Okay, so 25 cents can be broken down in lots of different ways to make that 25 cents, but we're only going to talk about this guy right here, and we're going to skip count. So when we skip count by 25, starting at the 25 marker, we always go, see if you can remember how to do this, 25, where's my next one? There it is, 50, 75, 100. So let's say it again 4 times so we don't forget. 25. Oh, where's my 50? 50, 75, 100. One more time. 25, 50, 75, 100. If you can't remember how to do that one, remember, print out your hundreds chart. You have a smaller one on the website that you can use. Okay, and you can always color. So skip counting by 25 means that every 25th one is where your marker is going to be. So this is 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Ah, there it is. 25. Boom, right there. And it was 50. Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Ah, there it is again, and boom. And then we can start to see the pattern emerging. I don't know if you can see it, right in the middle. Skip, there. Skip, there. And then we know that this is going to be 100. There we have it. Okay, so if skip counting by 25 is kind of tricky for you, 25, 50, 75, 100, practice. I want you to practice doing that so you can make sure that your mom and dad are giving you $1, 100 cents, $1, just in case they're shortchanging you on something, okay? What comes after 100? If we're skip counting by 25, 25, 50, 75, 100, adding 25 cents more is going to bring you right back to 25. So we're going to say 125, 150, 175, and then 200. When I say 125, I mean $1.25. So this is where we talk about this now. Okay. When we're talking about our nickels, or sorry, our quarters, and you have 4 quarters here, Scarlett's thinking, yes, 4 quarters. Scarlett loves, when Safeway has it, going to take her quarters and putting them in the vending machines at the grocery store, right, Scarlett? I know this because Scarlett was telling me that was her favorite part about grocery shopping. And it's my kids' favorite part about grocery shopping too. And if we're in the grocery store and everybody's behaving themselves, sometimes they get a quarter and they get to go and buy the candy with their 25 cents. So the 25 cents here, when you have 4 of them together, it is written like this. You can write, oh, my marker's stuck again. You can write it this way as 100 cents, and that's the symbol for cents. You can write it this way, 100 cents, or you can write it out this way, 1 with a dot, 0, 0. This means there's no other coins there, and 4 of these means $1, just like that. So you can write that out this way. 3 different ways to write. Okay. Now, we were playing with different ways to make 25 cents and count 25 cents. If you have 25 cents in your hand and you add some dimes and you add maybe a quarter, and I show you what I have in my hand down here. Oh, you know, I think I might use the table. I think this is a bit easier. Okay, so and I've got my quarter here, and I've got my dimes here, and I've got my nickel here. I can look at it lots of different ways. I can do what I did before, and of course I'm going to separate them into their own group so I can start to count. Always start with a bigger number. For me, that's my strategy. That helps. So I'm going to say 25 cents first. For me, it's easier to count by tens, not by fives. So I want to make 25 cents get up close to a 10, counting by 10 numbers. So a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, or $1. So 25 cents is closer to 30 because I'm adding, my numbers are going up, right? So I'm going to take 25 cents and I'm going to take my nickel and I'm going to slide it next to here, and I'm going to look at these 2 coins together, and it says 25 plus 5. And do I need to go 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30? Or can I just go 25, skip counting by 5s, 25, 30? If you can skip count really, really quickly, you shouldn't have to count on your fingers. You should just go 25, 30. And then you get to 30. And then this is where we take our dimes and we say 30, slide this one over. Now we're counting by 10, so this is where you switch your brain over. 25, 30, 10 more, 30, 40, 50. And now we're counting mixed sets of coins. All right, let's try again. I'm going to leave this quarter out, just the one quarter. I'm going to add some of these. I'm going to add that guy. Oh, I'm going to add that guy again. And now I've got this set of coins, but not that one over there. We're going to hide that. And we're just talking about this. So again, I've got my 25 cents. I've got my quarter. And I'm going to separate my coins. I've got my dime. And I've got my nickels here. So 25 cents. I want to slide this one over to give 25 cents plus 5 more, 25 plus 5. I can again go 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, but that takes an awfully long time. I'm just going to skip count by 5s. 25, 30, and then this is where the strategy that we talked about in one of the last lessons comes back. I look at these two and I know that these two 5s are 10, so now I could just add these two as a group and skip count by 10s. 25, 30, 40, 50. Now, if this was a bit challenging for you, we're going to slide this back and we can think about another way to do this. I can go 25, and then I could add this, and I can skip count by 10s, starting at 25. So let's say 25 to 35, and then I'm going to skip count by 5s. 25, 35, 40, 45, 50. That's another way that you can do this. All right? I always think it's better, in my opinion, you're different, to really jump in and get this number up to the 10s first. Skip counting by 10 is just so much simpler than skip counting by 5s or by 25s. Okay, so 25 plus 5 is 30. Then we could say 30. We can move these over and say 40, and then 50. Or we can do it this way and say 30, 40, 50. All right. So those are some strategies by using the 3 coins, the 25 cents, the nickel, and the dime to help you with counting. So really, when you're playing with money and we're doing the math, it's really, really important that you can find some of these coins lying around your house. And I know we're in COVID-19 right now and people are worried. My coins that I'm using, they've been sitting in a jar for months. I don't even think we've added any of our coins into that jar for a very long time. So I know that they're safe, even though money is dirty anyways. So don't put your hands in your mouth. Wash your hands when you're done. But if your mom and dad are worried about you playing with the money around the house, ask them if they can help you disinfect them before you start to use them. And don't steal the money. Put it back because you might need to use them for other lessons as we carry on through the weeks, okay? Mwah. Thank you for listening. We'll see you later.